Warning, warning, warning. In this video, it may offend some people who believe that financial abundance is hard to come by, because I'm going to show you how to take this pen right here and actually script and rewrite exactly the amount of money you make every month, every year, and the money in your bank account. If you don't believe me, I use this technique to increase my income by 10 in about a year. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let me show you how to use this to manifest financial abundance. So for about 4 years, I've been doing what people might call scripting in order to create what I want financially in my life. It wasn't that long ago that I was really struggling. I had a book out with Penguin Random House, but I was really struggling financially to the point where my life partner was actually in debt just to pay for our everyday necessities. Things were not coming into my life that were allowing me to create success, to be able to do what I love and be able to reach and impact more people. I was not making money. And so I call it hypnotic writing. Now, what I've done is I quite simply take this pen every single solitary day, and I use a certain technique that has literally allowed me to increase my income by 10. There was a time I heard Bob Proctor, who's a famous teacher in the law of attraction space, say, make the goal to turn your annual income into your monthly income. It took me 12 months to turn my annual income into my monthly income. Now, what I do is I have a very clearly defined goal. I do a monthly goal. And so what I invite you to do is step number 1 is to get a very clearly defined monthly financial goal. Now, once you have that, here's what you do. At the top of your paper, in your journal, you're simply gonna write the date at the top of the paper. And then after that, when you have your clearly defined financial goal, what you're gonna do is you're gonna write number 1. I am so grateful now that, and then you write it out. Mine would say, I'm so happy and grateful now that large sums of money come to me easily as I earn, and then I write my goal in. So I invite you to do the same. I'm so grateful now that large sums of money come to me easily with the goal, and write your goal down. I do this a bare minimum of 10 times a day. So that means I write that statement 10 times in a row and I number it. Quite often, I'll literally go ahead and I'll write that 30 or 40 times. And so what you'll do is get your simple goal, write it every single solitary day. What I do is I listen. I have a success hypnosis I've used for 6 years. I play it very softly in the background. You can download it down below, jakeshypnosis.com, and use that as well. So what's happening there is your financial life is a product of your subconscious mind, of your habitual mind, of your habitual patterning. Just like the same actions that cause you to put either your left foot into your underwear first in the morning, or your right foot, if you wear underwear, into your pants in the morning. Everybody has a certain way, a certain shoe they put on first, a certain way they tie their shoe. It's habitual programming. Your financial results are the same thing. So when you play the success hypnosis softly, you're engaging what? Your ears. When you're writing it out, what are you doing? You're engaging your eyes that are seeing it, your body that's writing it, your thought patterns that are thinking it. So what you're doing is you're activating brain cells and stimulating the nervous system in many ways to cause a shift in your actual programming in your subconscious mind. And so people are gonna say, oh, well, it can't be that easy. Well, how many people do you know that work extremely hard to create financial success and they don't have it? I used to work way hard. I had sleep deprivation problem because I would work all day. I'd only sleep for a few hours. I wasn't even making any money. I wasn't having any success. I was at the point where I almost had to quit what I'm doing and give up on it because I wasn't successful at it. And so when I started doing this, I call it hypnotic writing because I'm hypnotizing myself. I'm writing it over and over. I put my phone away. I don't have the computer. I do it in a quiet area so there's no distractions every single solitary day. Now, I've had people do the most amazing results of this. So this is financial scripting or financial hypnotic writing to recreate whatever it is that you want to create financially for yourself. Give this a try. If you're actually going to do it, comment down below and let me know that you're going to do it. I like to have a specific financial notebook, so there's nothing else that goes into it except for my same statement over and over. I write the date. April 2nd, and then I do it 10, 20, 30, 40 times. The next day, April, and then I do the next one over and over and over. And so give this a try. The thing is that money is energy. And what you're doing is the same way that you need to train yourself to run a 6-minute mile. You condition yourself, you program your body, your lungs, your muscles, you're programming it so that your body can do that. You're also programming your body, your mind, and your nervous system so that you can create a new financial future for yourself. It's the exact same process that you would do to condition your body. So this is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com. If you know somebody, please share this video with them. It's changed my life. I've literally seen this change dozens and dozens and dozens of people that I know personally, not just the hundreds and thousands of people that write me emails and I offer these types of ideas. I've seen it work. It will work for you. Use this for 90 days and you'll never want to not do it again in your life after that. I am so grateful. Large sums of money come to me easily as I earn, and then write your monthly goal in. Be sure that you hit the subscribe button, the bell notification in the corner. I'm so excited because we got the second Mind Neuro Programmer that's designed to rewire the brain for you so that you can get rid of all of those ideas to attract more abundance, more love, more happiness, or whatever you want. You can demo it for free. It's below thesecondmind.com. Have a beautiful day. I'll see you on the next video. Peace.